What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. You already know we about to jump back into this express car wash simulator. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. If you guys already know, we kind of got it started in the first episode. So crib looks still clean. We got a little bit of soap, so we actually need to buy some before we actually get the day started. So let me pull up in here and let's go ahead and grab some soap. Oh, we got some other soap too. Yeah, let me get that blue and then let me get that red. And then, yeah, we still ain't got nothing here. So let's go ahead, get these soaps, put in there. Cool. So we got the red. Let's go ahead and get that blue. That up. Let me go ahead and grab, what's this, clear? Let me go ahead and grab a clear one so we can get that one over here. Open it up, throw that in there. Cycle those bottles. Let's cycle them bottles. Alright, so we got red, blue. Let me get one more color. I don't think it's gonna hurt. So let's go ahead and get green, orange, pink, purple, and yellow. Let's get them all. Let's get them all. Let's get them all. Never know who gonna want to pull up and they gonna want a Pacific color. So throw that in there. Open this mug up. Put a purple in there. Oh, so I get $10 for those. If I recycling them, I get $10. And then we got two more soaps. Get that orange. That orange kind of look like a little Fanta. Get my 10 books. 10 books. Alright, cool. So now we got all the soaps. Let's open up the shop with a car wash. And let's get it popping. Ooh, look at that. It even sound different too. Oh snap, first customer. What's going on? Okay, you want 67%. Alright, cool. Let me get them keys. Did she say what type of soap do she want? No, she didn't say what type of soap. So yeah, she didn't say. So we just gonna go with clear. Other customer, hey, I'll be with you in a minute. Is that the same dude driving past? Like that red sports car that won't pass. Shoot, what else? Go ahead and rinse it off. I want to know if you can get automatic car wash too. But yeah, I'm interested in seeing what that customization gonna look like in their workshop. You know, maybe we gotta work on people's cars. Work on people's cars as well. That'd be cool. Alright, cool. Tell you this, it looked better than what it did before. Calm down, little lady. 293. Yep. Alright, cool. Have a good one. Alright, bro.
Uh-huh.
What's up? Get them keys. And this finna be a breeze. Unlock. He didn't even say what whatchamacallit, so what type of soap, so we're just gonna use regular soap and see what it do. Go ahead, rinse that mug. Why do I keep going behind the fence? Another customer show up. Yep. Be with you in a minute. Seemed like a nice little beautiful day out. Everybody trying to get their car washed. Can I hit the goggles? No. Alright, cool. Go ahead and get this soap off. Sweet. So we already back up to $784. I don't know why they be running down there. Check this next dude.
Mm-hmm.
319. Pleasure doing business with you.
Mm-hmm.
What's up? Boom. Let me get them keys. And this finna be a breeze. Yeah, she didn't have no Pacific soap either. So we run about this soap. We just gonna have to start using the other ones. So we got a new customer, another customer just arrived. I don't know what these people be doing with these cars. I don't know if they just full of mud. Go ahead, rinse it. Car kind of seemed like it's leaning a little bit. Let me get the roof. Kind of seemed like it's leaning. With the goggles. Looks like you ran out of soap. Yep, I done got all the other ones. Alright, let's get the hose. Rinse all this off. I think she over there talking to herself. Ain't nothing wrong with talking to yourself as long as you don't answer yourself. You said, huh? It's another day at the car wash. Solo Express Wash. bit of dirt up top. Man, there's a little dirt on the top that I left you.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Check the company rating. So let me go check this company rating. See what we looking like. Matter of fact, let me fix this. There we go. Quality customer better, paying price customers, power works along so you don't have to ask for too much. 1,500 bucks for
Mm-hmm.
alright, give me the keys. And it's finna be a breeze. Oh. I tell you, man, these customers be pulling up. Customers be pulling up pretty quick. Yeah, them customers be coming fast. As soon as somebody gone, here they come. It's crazy how people only want 60-something% of their car clean. Alright, time to hit the hose. Definitely look way better than before. That thing looking crazy. So we're almost about to hit level 2. See where we at. Alright. Left a little bit of dirt on the top.
Uh-huh.
Here's your keys. Like I said, it was gonna be a breeze.
Uh-huh.
snap. Almost ran her over. You haven't seen in the last episode when I went to get my customer's first car, there was an accident that happened. %71. Get the back windows. Roof for the car. I think I'll be wasting a lot of soap. Should be all good. Yep, we already got another customer waiting. Yeah, buddy, your car is almost up, almost done. Alright, buddy, there you go. We are about to hit level. Oh, I thought they failed.
Mhm.
There you go. So now we have cars. Now let me go. So we got stickers. We got different wheels. Entertainment. So porta potty, arcade, some benches. Nice little soda. Got some basketballs. And we also sell batteries and tennis balls. Not sure what those is for. So let's go ahead and get this so we can get some more high-end customers that's gonna pay some more money.
Mm-hmm.
I know you ain't what? Get in your car, bro, and get up out of here. Getting all upset, man. You better go somewhere. I'll probably take one more car before I call it even in the neighborhood. What's up?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty much the same thing. Technically, I could have got his car. We'll go ahead and use red. Could have got his. I could have washed his car, man. But sometimes you gotta say no to the customers. Sometimes you gotta say no. Surprised nobody want their car 100% clean. No. Alright. Get the water. Oh, this is a different paint job than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be red. And that's crazy too, that you can work through the night. All finish. Jump in it. Here's your keys, and like I told you, it was gonna be a breeze.
Uh-huh.
294. Alright, cool. So we got a new car unlocked. So now it looks like that is a minivan that could potentially.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go ahead decline you. I'm gonna go ahead and decline you. So we got 2,000. Want to get 2,000. Want to get this customization shop, and then I'm going to take a look and see what we got as far as workshop. So about 1,500 for that.
Mm-hmm.
rinse it real quick. Get this mug cleaned up. We already got another customer. Alright, let me get that water. I definitely thought the car was red. Oh, kind of like playing tricks, man. I thought it was red. Cool. Car is ready. Here's your keys. And as always, it's gonna be a breeze. So now we got a truck.
Uh-huh.
Like I said, give me the keys. And it's finna be a breeze. So we're running low on soap. So let me get the hose, and you already knows. Get that soap off it. See if we can get enough cash to where we can buy the custom shop. We would have had it a lot sooner. I passed up on a couple cars. Cool. Got that. Boom. Here's your keys. And as always, it's finna be a breeze. Alright, we should be able to get it after we take care of this customer right here. Give me the keys. And it's finna be a breeze. Let me go ahead and switch up. Let's do orange. Rinse it really quick. We already have another customer here. So they just want a quick little wash. Nothing too crazy. Got that green. Oh, how did I get on top of the car? Is they watching me? He was just watching me, now he just ran off. Like, that was weird. So now we have a new car. That is gonna be the last car that we take. This will be the last car that we take. What's up, man? Good, tip possible, high mood, cool beans. And if you new here, give me the keys, cause it's finna be a breeze. Alright, man, we close. This the last vehicle for the night, my heart. Car seemed like it was in a high-speed chase up in the woods. Get this last one, go ahead and rinse it. Go ahead and rinse it out. Let's hit that. I was about to say another car was about to try to pull up in here. No, we calling it tonight. Must be wrap up this car. Alright, here you go, sir. Have a good one. Enjoy it. And, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. 404. Put us at $2,000. So I think. So now we got vans coming. I believe this was 1,500, and I think the customization was $2,000. So let me go ahead and close the shop. We are closed, sir. Have a nice day. Alright, YouTube. I'll see you guys in the next video. Next one, we're going to be going over customization. So we'll start off with that and go from there. Alright, I'll see y'all in the next video.